Well, I'm just showing a little demonstration here today. I have had lots of vines on my property, and I had to get rid of some of them because they were taking over. Now we're gonna go up against this wall here. I've been doing this for about half an hour now. There's my little seedlings. I'm gonna just show you them real quick. Okay, they're leaning towards the sun that early. Those are watermelons, cantaloupes, and what is this right here? Tomatoes, peppers. Okay, now most of this is gone, but there's enough in there to do what I got to do. First of all, you wear gloves. I'm not, because I'm a professional. I've done this twice. Let me stop joking around, because this is serious business. Now, the secateurs here are important part of it. You get down as close as you can. See that vine right there? You get down as close as you can to the where it attaches into the ground, and you cut it off. See that? And you cut another space here so you can get the brush in there. So I left an inch gap so I can get in there. Now, all I do is take this brush and paint it right there. See what I did? And that'll die in a matter of days. Here's another one. And I just simply paint the opening. And that's it. And all this vine right here that's on this wall will start to die because it has no connection to the earth. Alright, that's the demonstration, folks, how to get rid of vines. All of them the same thing. Any type of vine is all the same. Later.